Just a quick video to show the replacement of the battery in a key remote for a Mercedes-Benz E55 AMG 2005. So the battery required is a CR2025, and there are two of them required. So this is all of the tools that you'll need: just some scissors, a flat blade screwdriver, and to take it apart we have to remove the key first, and to do that we pull this little slide toggle back and the key comes out. And to open the battery compartment, what I did was turn this key over, and I used the foot of the key, and you push it in against a little slide which will unlock the battery compartment. So I used this end of it because I tried to use this end and it was too hard, so this end seems to slide in well. So you push it in and hold it in. Then just get a screwdriver or your thumbnail in behind that edge, and it lifts up. Once it's started to move and you flip it over, you can see a bit of a gap there, so just put the screwdriver in and out she comes. Now there is a little tab just there which you can push down with the screwdriver to release this holding strip here, but the batteries will come out without doing that, so I just slid the batteries out. Notice that the orientation is a plus here and a plus on the battery. Now, the batteries that I bought were in this packet. I thought I could just push them out, but because of the problems I've had with kids swallowing these, you actually have to cut around the plastic, because they're set in plastic both sides, so they will not snap out of the cardboard. So just cut right around the edge of this, quite close to the battery, and you will be able to slide it out. And then you can see how you've got the two layers of plastic either side. At least that's the way it is in Australia. I don't know what it's like in other countries, but these are obviously Energizer 2025. Okay, so the batteries are out, so we just slip those in, positive facing up. And reinsert it, and you can see the little foot there that engages. And slip the key back in. Now when you press the button, you should be able to see a red flash just there. That shows you that the batteries are in good condition. And that's it. Okay, thanks for watching.